Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox one of my favorite castings, which I was hyped when I bought that. So which is this one. So the Bugatti Chiron. So this looked absolutely fantastic when I bought it. I mean when I saw that in in the pics. So I immediately took this casting. So let's unbox this. Even I want to open it and see how it looks. Honestly guys, this is the first time I'm also opening this casting. I never actually opened it or put it back. So I mean, I never do that actually, but I'm just saying because this pack is easily openable. So I just thought of pointing that out. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. So it does have some paint issues here, you can see the paint bubbling. I really don't know why they are having this issue, but given that the castings are absolutely gorgeous and a little bit of paint issues here and there, that is really irritating, to be very honest. Okay, it has acrylic inserts here, which is really nice. So these are actually transparent. It is really see through. You can see insides of it, and it has the grill detail along with the Bugatti logo. The Bugatti logo looks decent. It is not 100% perfect, but it is really well done. You can see the acrylics here, the grill details here, and so you can see the tail light here. This is a plastic insert that is really nice, and I'm really happy that they didn't paint that out. Okay, so it has good interior detailing to it. So it has openable doors. We will come to that in a minute. Okay, so apart from that, full metal body and plastic chassis. Let me just show it in this way. It has this detailing here, 1500 HP. That is correct. It has nice chassis detailing to it. It has exhaust detail as well here, which is really nice. Okay, so let's get into the store now. Okay, I think that's okay. This is how much you can go. That is really nice. Even the fuel tank, the fuel cover here, that is actually casted. It's embossed. On top of that, the interior looks really nice. I mean, the color scheme looks really nice. I don't know how it is getting viewed in the screen which you guys are looking at, but these are really nice. The livery is actually very nice, compared to a lot of even Hot Wheels cars. So the livery is very simple, but it looks really nice. It just flows along with the curves of the body of the car. Man, that is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so the tires are actually rubber. If you guys are wondering, it doesn't have any suspension. I'm just curious to try that out. Okay, the windshield doesn't have any scratches, and that is speck of dust I don't want to touch with my hand. It will make a fingerprint there, and there's some detailing here for the engine that is really nice. Okay, so let's weigh this casting. It's not too heavy, maybe around 38 to 40 grams, I'm hoping. Let's see. Okay, 45, not bad. So the casting is really gorgeous, and the weight is really on point, to be honest. Okay, let's see if this fits the track. I don't think so. No, it doesn't. Someone actually told me to keep two tracks for these kind of cars, but I doubt this will sit here. See, because these are low profile cars. I mean, low ground clearance cars. I don't think this will sit on both tracks. So that's the reason I didn't try to do that. Okay, let's do the roll test here and let's see. It doesn't roll really well. It somewhere it is getting, whether the front wheels or rear wheels, whether it is getting rubbed, on it is getting in contact with the body of the car, or maybe inside the axle here. I don't know where. You can hear the sound, right? Okay, it doesn't have any much of wheel wobble, but still it has this noise, and it doesn't roll really that well. But honestly, I am not going to play with it. But I'm happy that the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. Think about keeping in a display like this compared to even. I really don't want to compare this with that shitty Hot Wheels Bugatti Chiron and all. I might I will be comparing this with Majorette for sure because the per sport they released last during 2023, that was really awesome. I even bought both the colors. First time I missed out the second color, and then luckily when I went out and I searched for that, I got the alternate color versions of both Bugatti Chiron per sport and even that Lamborghini Sian. I am yet to unbox those. I will be doing that in some time. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.